Yeah, if I had to start again with a small account, I would definitely swing trade. I would probably do like 3 to 5 to 10 day type of swing trading, and just compound it very fast. Long, short. I wouldn't day trade, and I would also not do like a longer term swing trade, like multi-week, multi-month. I would do shorter swing trading, few days to maybe a week or two tops, and just trade the highest ADR, highest momentum stocks. Long, short. That's where the edge is the best. How do I like the base on Tupperware? Ooh, they have earnings soon. Oh, it's so thin. But this thing can break out on earnings. This is the type of stock that can go make big moves. Look at the weekly. It's high tide flagging on the weekly. Wow. I think it needs to break out on earnings. They have earnings in next week, I think. Yeah, next Wednesday. Looks good. Building higher lows, getting tighter. I like it. Yeah, Farfetch is something I had my watch list coming into today. I think it needs a few more days, then it's gonna go. Building higher lows. That's good. What I think of Baidu? I would have preferred it to stay tight, but yeah. It is going now. I would have preferred a few more days of sideways. HIMX. I don't know. I'm not sure. Definitely not a 5 or 4 star setup, but yeah, I don't know. Nothing that screams buy, in my opinion. Pen, nice trade. It hasn't even gone yet. Wake me up when it's at mid-high hundreds. It's only up a few percent from where I bought it. I don't even care about it. I want big moves. RKT's got a nice big move. Nearing 30% from entry. That's the moves you want. Explosive moves. This is why you trade high ADR stocks, or at least higher ADR. Is Airbnb going? No, it's not. It's barely above yesterday's highs. QS. Well, I would have preferred a few more days of sideways. So now, well, maybe we get a setup in a few days. Is FSR an example how to trade a stock post earnings? When were the earnings? This thing doesn't even have any earnings. Isn't it the concept company? It has no earnings. Well, no. This was an episodic pivot. It had some PR memorandum of understanding with Foxconn, and obviously, the volume was very big. Big volume. It's a hot sector. Electric vehicles. It's been building higher lows at this long base. That told me there's interest in this thing. You gotta put these things together. Hot sector, like all these EV stocks have made big moves over the past 6 months, 12 months. stuff like NIO, Tesla, XBEV, LI. Now obviously these are now fading, and this one is just coming out of a long base and had big volume. That's why I bought it. You always want to buy things coming out of big bases. Something like W yesterday broke a 6-month base. Something like a rocket I bought yesterday also broke a long base, 5-6 months with higher lows. Look at the volume here. These are the types of things you want to find. When I bought Celsius, broke out of a nice base, higher lows, and it had earnings. Look at the volume. This is where I bought it. I bought it like $28 or something, and then I sold it at like 40, and now it's at 70 almost. DQ, bought the long base, higher lows. It got tighter and tighter. Broke out on not super volume, but it had some, it wasn't really super, but it broke out, and now look at it. The same pattern. If you just learn that it's one pattern, you can afford anything you want in life. And now, if you also have a little bit of brain power, and you put things together, like if it's a hot sector, if it's an intriguing story, if there are, if there's big, triple-digit growth, you will have an even bigger edge. But that is not needed. You can just purely trade momentum. You can have very good returns. And obviously having a good market helps a lot too. Because none of these things are gonna work. Breakouts are not gonna work in a declining market. You can forget about it. That's why I've been so cautious over the past few weeks. Because I know you can get chopped up really fast if you start buying breakouts in a non-favorable market. So LIC maybe in a few days could be nice. Do I follow any news source? I subscribe to a few, but I don't really follow them. I only use them when I need to check on some specific stock. But I don't follow any news feeds, no. I think it's a waste of time. How do you know whether it's consolidating or not? Or versus lost momentum? You can see it clearly. Look at the higher lows. Look at how it's getting tighter. And also, anytime a stock goes up 1500% in a few months, some sideways, it's just expected. If you look at the weeklies, it was a pretty decent looking flag. But yeah, higher lows is your friend. Palantir. I usually wait for market hours. Anytime I buy any episodic pivot pre-market, it always stops me out. I'm having the worst luck with episodic pivots in pre-market. Always stops me out. Super weird. Yeah, if I had to start again with a small account, I would definitely swing trade. I would probably do like 3 to 5 to 10 day type of swing trading, and just compound it very fast. Long, short. I wouldn't day trade, and I would also not do like a longer term swing trade, like multi-week, multi-month. I would do shorter swing trading, few days to maybe a week or two tops, and just trade the highest ADR, highest momentum stocks. Long, short. That's where the edge is the best. Yeah, like momentum burst. Open, yeah, I was actually looking at it. Again, I wish it was a bit tighter, but yeah, look at the higher lows. It's an okay setup, maybe 3.5 stars. I actually had an alert set on it, but I passed on it because it's a little bit too thin for me. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's not like it's a screaming buy type of a setup. I would prefer a bit more tightness, but yeah, I mean, it looks okay. It looks okay. I'm getting to a point in my trading, like I really don't care anymore. Like I want the perfect setups. I have no desire to trade 3-star setups. I want the 5 stars only. Maybe a 4-star here and there.